Okay, so in the previous file we have seen, previous session, that we have gone through the paragraph tag, we have gone through the H1 to H6 tag, as well as how to use, where to use. We have made an example as well. Look into this file. This file, this example this is going to help you. In this session, we are going to study about the type of list in HTML. How many type of list we have. So let's make a note. We have one called UL. It's called the unordered list. Unordered list. Second, we have called OL. Is called a ordered list. Third, we have called DL. It's called a definition list. Right? How many? Three type. OL, UL, as well as DL. Order list, unordered list, as well as definition list. Right below. Type of UL. How many type of UL we have? So we have one that is called type equal to disk. One we have called disk. Second we have circle. Third we have square. And the fourth we have none. Disk, square, circle, and none. When we look into the order list, how many type of order list we have? Type of OL. So it is type equal to 1. We should write like this better. It is called a 1, like one number 1, 2, 3. Second we have, it's called a capital A. Third we have is called a small a. And the fourth we have, it's called a capital I. And the fifth we have, that is called a small I. Now this is for what purpose? This is for Roman uppercase number, and this is for Roman lowercase number. Roman uppercase number, this is for Roman lowercase number. So we should understand this. First, what is the UL, then OL, then we'll come to the DL, definition list. So I will create a file called OL dot, not OL, UL, ul.html, ul.html. Again, I'll go here, shift +1, and then enter. This code will appear. We'll change the title as a UL in HTML. UL in HTML. Also keep a H1 here, right here call UL unordered list in HTML. Unordered list in HTML. Let's start with the UL first. UL tag. Inside the UL, we have a keep called li. Li is called a list item. I will keep here. What is the full form? It's called list item. Second li, suppose I'll keep some 5 books name, example HTML. Second li will be cascading style sheet. The third list will be called bootstrap, and the fourth will be called JavaScript. Fine. So we added here this many li. Now next priority is we need to run this file and see how it will work. So you have also seen how to run the page. You have to go here, right hand side, go live is there, click on this. Your page will open in any default browser. So we can see here the UL file is running, and under the UL file we can see the list of items. HTML, cascading style sheet, Bootstrap, JavaScript. But what order it is formatted following? You can see everywhere dot 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 is coming. It is called a disk. When you follow the UL tag, it's called unordered list. There is no any order in that. It's not mentioned like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. So it is just like dot 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 as a indicators. Because of that, it is called unordered. In that, there is no any order is not mentioned. I will go to the code and I will change the type here manually. I'll specify here a property called type, and here we'll mention as a disk. Then also you will find it remains same. Then also you will find it remain same if I go to the browser. Can you see here? It's remain same. That meaning by default OL is disk. By default OL is which type? Disk type. I will write here in a H4 call by default UL type is disk. By default UL type is disk. That will appear in the browser. You can see here by default type is UL type is disk. That is coming here. Next I will go here and I will try to follow the another type. So same UL we can copy paste also. I will write here type equal to square now. I will copy this all li and paste here. All the li I copy pasted here and given the type equal to square. If I run the page, we can see everywhere indicator is coming as a square symbol. So it is called type as a square. Type as a square. But we need to add a heading here, a small heading. Let me go and write here a H3 UL type as a square. So this will become a heading of this UL. See, for first UL you have written default type is disk. You have written the disk also, no problem, it is working. For second, what you have written? Type equal to a square, right? Below we can see, once you go to the browser, a square symbol is coming. So this become the headline. It is representing, okay, what is this type? This is another headline. It is representing what is this type. Fine. So we understood this is called disk and this is called as a square. I will come down and I will follow one more H3 here. Inside this I'll find, I'll write UL type as a circle. UL type as a circle, and then the same UL I will copy and paste here. And I'll do the changes called type equal to circle. Type equal to circle. When we go to the browser, we will see here type circle is coming. So this is called disk, this is called a square, this is called as a circle. Indicator got changed, data is same, indicator got changed. Okay, coming next. We need to follow one more UL. Before that, one H3 is required. I will follow here UL type as none. None means no any type, no any indicator, normal text will appear. Same UL I should copy and paste here and write here type equal to none. You will find this will not appear any kind of indicator. Normal our text data will appear there. Here text is coming with no any indicator. This is called type equal to which one? None. So you found how many types? 4 type. This is called disk. This is called a square. This is called circle. And this is called none. And we'll go for next example. Next example will be regarding this one. Call as a OL. OL. That is called order list. So I'll create the next file. OL.html. OL.html. Here also we need to start shift+1 enter. Document appear. I'll go here and I'll change here OL in HTML. Order list in HTML. Follow here OL. Before that, I think we can keep a H1 tag and we can write here order list in HTML. Okay, now right here AH3, there you can mention by default OL type is 1, 2, 3. This way. By default OL type is 1, 2, 3. Coming here, I will write here some city name. For example, first li list item again, Bangalore. Second li, I will follow here, Mumbai. The third li I will follow here, Chennai. Also the fourth li I will follow, Kolkata. And the fifth li I will follow, that is called Delhi. Right? Some city name I added randomly. Let me run this file and see what is the by default order. Again, we can go to the live server, click here, page will appear in the browser. So we can see it is printing as a 1, 2, 3. That is called as a order. When you are printing something without any serial number, without any number, without any identity, it is called as an unordered list. But when you are printing something in a sequence, serial number, that's called as an order list. Okay, that's called as a order list. Now next we need to see in order list how many other type we have. Okay, how many other type we have. So we'll go to the again this file and we'll see next. We'll go here and we'll copy the same OL and paste here, and I'll mention type equal to 1. type equal to 1. So by default, it will give 1, 2, 3 only. As you can see, I will go to the browser. You can see here 1, 2, 3 only. That is called default order list. Here also we are written no any type. Still 1, 2, 3 is coming. Here we mention type as a 1. Still it is giving as a 1, 2, 3. Now I will write here another property that is called as a start. By default is starting from where 1. I'll do a start equal to 100. 100. You can see the number whichever we have, it will start from the serial number. It will start from 100 directly. See here, started from 100, 100, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. So that is called a start property. A start property. I'll write here a H3 and inside I'll write call a start. Again, I'll keep one more OL here. Here I'll mention the same. Everything will keep the same. I will add one more property called reversed. Descending order. Reversed. It will come in descending order. So I'll keep here call reversed order. Reversed order. So data is going to come in which order? Reverse order. Okay, data is going to come in reverse order. Let me go here and see. You can see this is by default. Here we have specified a start, and here we have given the start and we given call reversed. So now it is coming in which order? Reverse order. Correct? So this three order you can follow. Let us see next. Next we have, I'll follow H3 again here and will mention call type as a capital A. Type as a capital A. Exact same OL we can copy paste and we can write here type equal to capital A. It will give us the ABCD only. We can see now first what is going to come. Can you see here? Type ABCD, order got changed. Order got changed. So this way we have some more type. We can mention the same here. HCL, right? Type equal to type. I'll write here college a small a. We can mention a small a and we'll see how it works. A small a, right? Is going to do the same thing, only the case will change. Instead of uppercase, it will come as a lowercase. You can see instead of uppercase, now it's coming as a lowercase. This is called type. Using the type property, we can change the type of order based on our need. Come next, we'll write the next H3 type as a capital I, Roman 1, 2, 3, or Roman number, uppercase, or Roman number, uppercase. Let's see here. We can keep the same OL and we'll change this type as a capital I. Capital I, you can find it will give you the order only, but Roman 1, 2, 3. And the Roman number will be uppercase. Roman number will be uppercase. Coming next. We have same thing. Roman only, but lowercase. Let me keep the one more H3 here. H3. And we can mention in that type a small I. For Roman number lowercase. I'll keep the same OL here. Type equal to a small I. Then you can see complete order is changed. So hope clear. What is the meaning of order list? We have 5 type of order list. In that we can change the ascending, descending, right? Then sometime people will ask, if the type is A, can we change the order? Descending, yes, we can change. Let me go here. A is there, we can use here also reversed. It will come in reverse order. Look at here. I change reverse coming. EDCBA, right? It's coming in. The type is ABCD, but the list is reverse. Data is coming in reverse order. Data is coming in reverse order. Fine. Coming next. Here we can use another property that is called start. Start equal to, suppose 6. Start equal to 6. Now what will happen? I remove the reverse. Start equal to 6 I given. So in ABCD series, on 6th position what will come? A, B, C, D, E, F. It should start from F directly. You can see starting from F. This one. F, G, H, I, J, right? This is called reverse order. This is called, you can say, start. We can change the start number to anything. Fine. Next we have, if I use suppose 27, then what will happen? Because ABCD is still 26 only. Let me try 27. You can see here double A, B, A, C, A, D, A, E. So this A remains same and inside the sequence will get changed. So this way you can change the number and you can see in your system as well. This code will be under the below practical side example in the bottom of the videos. You can have a look. You can take the code and try yourself, modify something, see, modify something and see. Right. So let us moving ahead. This file is over. Order list is completed. First one was an order list. This is order list. We have one more here. DL, definition list. Let's make a note of this also. In definition list, we have a tag called DT. It's called as a definition title. Definition title. What it will help you? It print headline of contents. It is going to print the headline of content. Next is DD. What is the role of DD? This is called definition details. Definition details. definition details. It print details about the content. About the contents. It is going to print the details about the content. Right? So we'll create a file dl.html, and in that we will understand about this file, what is the meaning of definition list and how it works. So I'll go for the file called dl.html, shift+1, enter. I'll change the title of the page, definition list. Come down. Follow h1 tag, keep inside. We'll write here definition list, dl definition list in HTML. So let me write here the very basic tag called dl. Under that, there sub tag called dt. I'll write here call a very basic question that where is Bangalore belongs to which country? One question. Now for that, assume a person, this question you are asking from people on internet. One person reply India. India. India will display under the one DD. Someone reply China. Another DD. Someone reply something. Canada. Someone reply no idea. Something. So this is a question posted on internet and people are replying the answer for that. Right? So what do you mean by this is it's displaying the title and this is displaying the description. Description can be one line also, can be multiple line also. There is no limit on that. If I run this file, the appearance of the page is okay. The appearance of the page is something like this. Fine. It should look like this. Let's go ahead. Let's use one more similar question. dt HTML. A question, suppose someone asks a question. what is the role of, or what is the use of HTML? What is the use of HTML? Assume a person replied. Assume a person replied. It create web page. Next DD. Next DD. It is store database. Store data. User can reply anything, no control. DD. It apply a styling. Right? User can apply, say anything, we cannot control, right? So this become a question and this become a answer of the user. How it look like this? You can see the question start from the beginning and the answer start after some space. Question is under the DT and the answer are under the DD. Will format little, will increase little font size color. See how it is. So I'll go for this. I'll use a font tag here. In font tag, there is a property called color. Color. I kept called red. There is a property called size. That is between 1 to 7. Your wish, you can give anything. I'll give you a 6. Same font. I'll keep for next question. And I'll try to close here. I'll change to blue color. See how it look? Color is change. We need to give some BR here. After this DL, there should be some space. So at this place, I'll use a BR. One BR is not sufficient. 2 BR means 2 line break will happen. 2 line break will happen. We can see here line break happen. So this is called DT and this is called DD. And combined of both is called a DL, definition list. Using DT, you can display the headline, and using DD, you can display the data. Right. So this is the example of 3 list in HTML. First is UL, we saw 4 types. Second one is OL, we saw 5 types. Third one is definition list, we saw through the font and color. Right. Now this examples and the notes will be available with the video in the bottom section as a study material. Go through. Okay. And try to make some example from your side as well. And see you in the next session. Thank you very much.